What's up, guys? It's Alex here from Bass Bites Fishing. We're finally back. It's been a long time, but I'm back in Maryland here. And for the first week back, I wanted to give you some catch and cook. You guys loved the first one, so we're giving you a second one. Get ready, this is gonna be a great video. We're gonna catch lots of fish. We're gonna eat lots of fish. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's a bass. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Oh! He just smoked it. That's sick. That's a nice bass, bro. Right in the top of the lip. Gotta wait on this. This is not a bad one. It's like a 2.5 pounder. Goodbye, buddy. Sweet. Guys, I'm on. No, it's a nice smallmouth. Holy shit. It's like my biggest smallmouth. Got a smallmouth right here. I don't think so. I don't think he's big enough. Smallmouth bass on the spinnerbait. Guys, I thought we had a snakehead there. I thought we had a small snakehead there. Yeah! Dinner is served! John, this is your appetizer.
Yeah, what's your appetizer?
It's actually perfect bait.
Wait, what?
Too bad we're cooking it up.
Yo, turn the stove on, freak out.
Season that baby up. You have to gut it before you cook it, bro. Or else you're gonna be eating guts. Is this thing on?
Any last words, buddy?
Oh, Jesus, Jimmy. That's... You're gonna get like sick eating that. You didn't season it either. What?
The season of life.
Oh my God.
The season of nature. Some dirt on it.
It does smell kind of good.
Oh, okay, buddy.
Smell it, bro. It actually smells kind of good.
Yo, we got a tasty boy over here. You know why?
That does suck.
You know why? It's because it was pregnant, so all the babies are cooking inside of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
So bony.
you're cooking the smallest piece of meat I've ever seen.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
I just lost my third bobber of the day. I have no idea what to do or where to get a new one.
Don't worry, sir. I have a solution for you. The all-new iBobber from Real Sonar combines the effects of your traditional bobber and the most high-quality technology of today's age.
Alright, what's so special about iBobber that other bobbers don't have?
iBobber has a built-in fish finder that you can connect to Bluetooth with your phone so you can see real-time the fish beneath.
Alright, what code should I use when I go on iBobber?
If you want 15% off your iBobber or any iBobber apparel, use my code MCKAY15, that's M-C-K-A-Y 15 for 15% off. Trust me, it's worth it.
Yeah. Bring it in.
Oh, here's a delicacy.
Let's go! Holy! Put it on the pan! Put it on the pan!
Put it on the pan, baby.
Put it on the pan!
This we can eat up. Well, we're struggling out here with the snakehead, but we're hungry out here. We're hungry.
We came hungry. He told us to come hungry.
We decided to catch some crappie, throw it in the pan, a little butter, a little of the Paul's magic, redfish magic. We got some blackened crappie here. Little appetizer before our snakehead feast. So we're gonna give it a taste here.
That's great.
Flaky,
That's really good.
delicious.
Look at that white.
Look at this white meat, glistening. Pulls right off the bone.
Oh my god, look at that texture, the black to the white. I got black, I got white, what you want. You're right.
Never fails. It's actually really good.
This is like the best thing I've ever had in my life.
Anyone else want a
Yeah,
piece?
give me a piece of that.
Take a piece
You're
off.
gonna need a piece of that. Sam, you're gonna need a piece of this, dude. Here, take a bite, boys.
All right, guys, so rough day out here. We're finishing up. And as you can see, we did not catch a snakehead. Second time out here this year. First time not getting anything, but we did catch a crappie, pretty nice smallmouth, some sunfish. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those catches and the little catch and cook of the crappie. We'll definitely be out here for some more snakehead later, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Weekly uploads are back. I'm back, we are all back. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.